If you stand anywhere for long periods of time, say your kitchen, laundry room, your standing desk, an anti-fatigue mat is key. So I am thrilled that Homergy sent me their anti-fatigue mats for review. Let's check these out. Now this set actually comes with two mats. You get a longer mat and a shorter mat. Let's open this up. Now when you first get these, they do come rolled up quite tightly, and they do have a little bit of a plastic smell. The smell will go away and they will flatten out over time. Just be patient. Let's roll them out. These are super soft. They have a really nice, almost grippy front side, and then the bottom is definitely grippy. It's not going to slide anywhere, and it has really good squishy give. Here they are right out of packaging. They still have some lines in them, but like I said, those should go really fast, especially considering how quickly they're already flattening out, but they feel so good. I can jump on them. My knees feel really nice and supported on these. I feel like I could stand on these for a long period of time. I love the length of this long one here, because this one's gonna be perfect for my kitchen. And then I'm planning to use this one for my standing desk that I just ordered. And I love the length on it, as it really gives me some space to kind of wiggle around while still being small. It is also a perfect size for in front of a kitchen sink. Now with this linoleum floor, the black has high contrast, but what's also cool is that these come in a lot of different colors and patterns, so you can pick what's complementary to your space. But as you can see here, when I step on this, it's really nice and supportive, and it does kind of show my footprint as the foam is going down, really supporting around my foot. So I could be cutting at my cutting board and still be supported as I go over and work at the stovetop. I really, really love how this feels. It's really nice. And like I said, this one I'll be having at my desk, but right now it is at the kitchen sink, which is really ideal. It's a really nice fit for that. Now I want to test two things with these. I want to see if they slide. No. That is really, really nice. They're not really moving at all. I am pushing on them a lot. And the other key test is how easy they are to clean. So let's say you spilled some condiment on them. One quick wipe, let's see how that does. Pretty much all gone, but I'll give it a quick spray and wipe it one more time. Really, really nice. Even though it looks like it has a fair amount of texture, it's still a pretty shallow texture, so nothing's getting stuck in there. It cleans beautifully. So I am thrilled with these anti-fatigue mats from Homergy. They definitely give you the support you need. I love the anti-slide and how easy they are to clean.